Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 16th of January. Happy birthday to my sister, first of all. And we have a nice sunny day across the area. Temperature in the low 30s. We're going to break that thaw that we've been in. We're going to freeze it up. It's going to be cold the next several days. We'll see little bouts of cold that will get significantly below average days, like I think next Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we'll be back towards average or a little bit below in between those. A little bit of snow as well. Talk about that for tomorrow in a second. So, sunshine today, temperatures feeling like single digits and low teens this morning, teens and low 20s the rest of the day. Tonight, mostly cloudy, temperatures down to the 20s. If you have an evening plan, no problems at all. Now, tomorrow, we'll see a little bit of rain and snow around the area. Temperature up near 40, so it will be wet if you do get any. There could be some light accumulation northwest hills, back through the Berkshires, back through north of Route 2, and maybe even some of the higher terrain west of Boston, coating to an inch or two. That would be about it. That storm looks like it's still going to miss us on Sunday. Could get some snow onto the Cape and the Islands if it came close enough. Sometimes these things back up west a little bit. So we still have tomorrow's models to look at. It's not going to be a big storm anyway, but, where does that snow line get to, the western edge of it? Temperatures will be, again, right around 34 to 39 degrees. For the Patriots game Sunday afternoon, it'll be about 37, 38 degrees. I think that clearing will be taking place. You may even see the sun on the western horizon at that point. Remember, it goes down at close to 4:45 now. For MLK Day, schools are out. Temperatures in the low 30s, and then quite cold. It's sunny, by the way. Tuesday and Wednesday, sunny. Thursday, sunny. We're going to be in the 20s, low 20s on Tuesday. That's one of the colder days, probably in the single digits Tuesday night, back to the 20s on Wednesday, and Thursday we're right around freezing. So dry, no big storms, and a little bit below average for sure. One thing I can guarantee, the thaw is over. Have a great day and a great weekend, everybody.